Hi everybody, welcome back. This is going to be the last unboxing for the year of 2021 and possibly the last unboxing for quite a while on my channel. If you watched my 10 things that I will not be doing in 2022, one of them is purchases of unnecessary things, and another one of them is unboxings. So I have been waiting on one of these for a long time. I placed an order for this at the beginning of the month before I made and released that video because of the fact that these very rarely become available, and I had a little bit of money set aside for it. And you'll see it is from Odd Girl Journals from Keely Reichman. And I have been a fan of Keely's ever since I got my first zipper pouch from her. This one, which is an avocado, I think they call it the avocado. Yeah, avocado. Trader Joe's bag. This was my very first zipper pouch. And I have them in nano, micro, passport, pocket. I used this one for Halloween and for part of November. I've got them in A5, I have them in personal size, I have ones where you have cards on this side and on this side without the pocket like that. And I've got a variety of things, but what I have here is, you can see it's large. Get my passport out of the way. And I'm going to see if I can save that sticker. Oh my goodness. Make sure I got, oh, there's more, there's more. That's everything. I still want to see if I can save that acorn sticker. It's adorable. But look at this cute cutout. One of her little artwork, her little fox. He's adorable. What is this? Thank you, John. Happy fall to one and all. Keely. That is adorable. Thank you so much for your purchase. I would love to see what you do with your goodies. Tag me at Odd Girl Journals. Here's a coupon code for 20% off your next purchase. Oh, that's so cute. And there's my receipt. So, oh, those are so adorable. Now, you'll see it's a large size. I'll see if I can save this sticker too. It's so cute. It says, I love my TN. Aww. So these are hard to come by. And look at that. Let me get rid of the paper. If you look, you'll see it is that same avocado bag, right? But it is as a traveler's notebook. So, you'll see there are 4 elastics. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets for cards. There's a pocket here. On the front, there is a zipper pouch. And then on the back, there's a full pocket and an elastic pen loop. So, I've been using a standard recently. This is a Olive from Documented Journey, from Brie at Documented Journey. And I've been using this for my keeping track of what I do for Patreon and YouTube. And there's one of my Pan Am writing boards. But I've been, the standard was, you know, that and the passport were my first loves. And I've been using standard size since 2013. And I'm gonna put this in here. So there's my monthly. Here's my weekly. And here's my notes insert, which has lots of stuff in it. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And I wonder if I can fit my writing board back there. It might be a little too... Hey now. Oh, it fits. And then I'll put my blotting paper. I might not keep that writing board in there. Well, we'll see. And the pen that I've been using, I moved into my Passport Traveler's Factory. Actually, it says Midori for my wallet. But since this is an elasticated pen loop, it will hold my pen. Look at that. That is so cool. I love my traveler's notebooks from Brie. Actually, they're folios. They're not traveler's notebooks, but I even have one set for next year. I have my monthly calendar, which you can get on my Patreon. There's 2022. And then I have a week on one page, undated. The monthly calendar was October. The week on a page was November. Something special's coming for December. And then I have a grid that I printed on Midori MD paper. But look at that. I love my Midoris. I love them. And you know, I have them, I'm gonna keep them, and I'm gonna use them. But I really love the idea of reusing and repurposing something like this. This is, oh, it's everything I was looking for. Like, look at that. It's got the avocados. Now this right here might have come from a different bag. No, maybe not. I can't remember what the avocado bag looks like on all sides. But that is so cool. So it was a simple unboxing. I just wanted to share my new Traveler's Notebook from Keely because I've never seen any videos on them. I haven't, here, I'm gonna pull that out. I might put my older one in. Look at that. That is so cool. So cool. I like having the writing board in the back. I took an ad from Midori and made it into one. It's a little bit big, but I think it would fit back there. Gives it a little bit of structure since it is such a, it's a, you know, a reusable bag. But look at that, and this I'll put with my Pan Am. Isn't that adorable? I will link down below Keely's Etsy store and her Instagram because she has just some of the cutest things. And you can get this as a traveler's notebook made in any size. You can get it made in Passport, Pocket, A6, Personal, B6, B6 Slim, like a wide. This is a standard. I think she can even do like an A5 as well. So I will link her down below because I am just overjoyed with what I got. I'm so excited. Okay, if you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave them down below and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.